Hello fellow crypto enthusiasts in our channel. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of cryptocurrencies world. I'm Steven, your guide in this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. In today's video, we'll share with you our new project that's called TomJerryMoon.io. But before we dive into this crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this channel is just for education and entertainment purpose only. This video is not intended as financial and investment advice. Do not forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. So welcome back now in the next part of this video, when we talk about this project in detail. So Tom and Jerry Moon, it's a meme coin. The name, as we said, it's Tom and Jerry, and this is the symbol in the blockchain. The total supply is 1 trillion to now, and you can check the address from here, and the tax is 0. This coin is audited by security audit by Consults, and you can check all social media from Twitter, Telegram, and also Discord. We will see the white paper after in this video. And this is some partners of this project like Yahoo Finance, New BTC, Crypto News, Cointelegraph, Coinpedia, and more. So ICO Cryptolite token. ICO tokens, details and sell tokens. The start was the 31 August in this year, and the end will be in the same week. The acceptable currencies is BNB, and number of tokens for sale now it's 8 million token. You can check this video and you will see more details about this project. Further up the map, this is a multiple phases: the phase 1, phase 2, the third phase 2, and this project. The phase 1 is establishing the website and social community, as you see here, conducting and analyzing the market, identify target audience and competitors. The white paper development, it's already done. Initialization of the marketing campaigns to attract potential investors. Initializing marketing campaign to attract more investors. Private sale was the 12th July of this year. Smart contracts implementing and conducting a contract audit for security and reliability. Pink sale was in this week. And now they will start the phase 2 from PancakeSwap launched for the 5 September of this week. And after that, you can see all the roadmap from A to Z. So the precious partner of Tom and Jerry Moon has formed strategic partnerships with several reputation organizations and projects aiming to leverage synergies and accelerate the growth and adoption of the token. This partnership play a crucial role in expanding Tom and Jerry Moon's ecosystem and creating new opportunities for its community. This partnership demonstrates Tom and Jerry Moon's commitment to build a strong ecosystem and creating value for its community members. By collaboration with reputable entities, Tom and Jerry Moon's leverage expertise, resources, and network to enhance its offering, drive adoption, and establishing itself a prominent player in the crypto industry. So you can see audits by DEX Tools, Consults audits, PancakeSwap, DexView, BSC Scan, and also Pink Cell. Now, how to buy? Purchasing from a desktop will give you a smoother buying experience, so recommend using MetaMask. If you are buying a mobile phone, copy this and pass it in an internet wallet browser, and they recommend Trust Wallet or MetaMask through built-in browser. Click Connect Wallet and select provider you want to use the desktop. However, if you are using a mobile wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, for other browsers, choose the wallet connection option. They will ask it for approve the connection. Click Connect to proceed. So like all the tokens is the same thing. The step 4 is ensure you have BNB in your wallet, at least $25. Enter the desired amount of BNB and swap to the Tom and Jerry Moon token. After that, you will have your token in this wallet, but don't forget to add the custom token of this token. So after that, in the website we have just the contact form, but we will see now the white paper, the real white paper of this project. So Tom and Jerry is a cryptocurrency that will gain huge popularity in online meme community in no time. This token has many unique features. Tom and Jerry's inspiration path for potential profits. Tom and Jerry lands on Binance Smart Chain means that will be compatible with BSC based token and can be traded in Binance DEX. The Binance Smart Chain is known its fast transaction time and low fees, making it a popular choice for many applications and cryptocurrencies. With a focus on security and transparency, Tom and Jerry Moon may be an attractive option for any investor looking for a new cryptocurrency to add their portfolio. In terms of marketing, the Tom Jerry Moon team actively promotes the token by increasing the visibility and attracts more users. Various strategies such as social media campaigns, partnership, influence, and community engagement activities. Their efforts help create awareness about Tom, Jerry, and Moon and can potentially drive its value and adoption. Thank you very much for your watching and see you in the next video.